So this is a quarter span. So first one, direct stress. We already know P by A. So we have given the value of P, pre-stressing force and area. Next, bending stress at top and bottom. So why? Because it is unsymmetrical section, we have to calculate it top and bottom. So bending stress at top and bottom minus P into E by ZT, P into E by ZP. So P, pre-stressing force and eccentricity value 248. E is equal to, we have calculated 248.6 mm. So here, and ZT and ZP also have calculated the values. Section modulus at top and bottom. Here comes to dead load and live load. So here comes dead load means how we calculate dead load. So area into density. So already we have calculated area into density 24. We got the value of 1.97. So this is the load we should calculate as R, and double L by 2 it is shear force. So simply supported with division. So shear force means R double L by 2. 1.97 into 8 by 2 we get the value of 7.88. So here mg, so moment at some point we calculate the load, perpendicular distance r, load into distance 7.88 into 2 minus 1.97 into 2 into 2 by 2. So 7.88 into 2 minus 1.97 into 2 into 2. Okay. So why? Because, so why we have taken 2? Why? Because why we have taken 2? So this is the, sorry, here I will draw 8 meters. So this is the quarter span. So quarter span means what? So fourth. So 8 by 4 is equal to 2 meters. So quarter span, it is asked for quarter span. So I have calculated for quarter span means L is equal to 2 meters. So here up to 2 meters we should calculate. So I have taken 2 and 2. Okay, L is equal to 2. Why? Because quarter span only. It is asked for quarter section only. So for length we have taken only for quarter section. So here mg by depth. So length 7.88 into 2 minus 1.97 into 2 into 2 by 2 UDL. So here mg by ZD plus and minus mg by ZB. So section modulus at top, section modulus at bottom. So I have calculated. Same here on live load. So live load is nothing but it is given for live load for beam is 20 kilonewton per meter. So 20 into 8 by 2 we have gotten 80 kilonewtons. So here mg, how we can calculate? 80 into 2. Why? Because quarter span, it is asked for quarter span, no? So 80 into 2 minus 20 into 2 into 2 by 2. 20 into 2 into 2 by 2. We have got the value of 120 mg. So here at top plus mg by ZD minus mg by ZP. So 120 into 10 power 6 by 11.4 into 10 power 6 minus 120 into 10 power 6 by 5. So here we got F 10.4 and minus 22. So it is the stresses at quarter section span. Direct stress, bending stress, dead load and live load. This is the unsymmetrical section. So this is the very important problem. Okay. For up to this we have completed the second unit. Okay. Thank you.